a talk for Team 3 on behalf of Team 3. Go ahead.
Okay, so for our project, we wanted to make some sort of workplace rating app to let employees more accurately review their employers with a focus on intersectionality and intersectional identities. So here's kind of like a roadmap to go from that problem to a solution. So the first step, I guess, was to look at services and technologies that are already out there, right? The first thing that we kind of saw and then kept coming back to was Glassdoor, which I think has already been mentioned. For those of you that don't know, it's pretty much like a website or app where every company has their own page, and any employee, whether you're like a senior engineer or like a part-time janitor, whatever, any employee can leave reviews on the company, from anything like fair pay, how does a CEO do, how effective are they, anything. And then kind of leading into the second step, doing some kind of research into what we think that they could do better, what they do well, and especially what we can maybe improve upon. And this was kind of a step that could branch our product into, I guess, two different areas, where we could either take inspiration from that and add our solutions to kind of build something from scratch, or what we ended up doing was making something that could kind of add on to Glassdoor specifically. And that's more like a future thing, maybe get involved with them or have some kind of browser extension or something like that. So essentially what it is with Glassdoor currently, you can see all kinds of different reviews from everyone based on one single demographic. So you can see what every like white person has to say about this, or every like woman has to say, but you can't filter based on what Black women have to say about this, which is something that we thought would be really important, and it's not really anywhere as of right now. So just kind of circling back, our purpose is to mainly increase the transparency of these companies and how they treat employees, all kinds of like diversity, equitable treatment, and like fairness in the workplace. And our hope is that by increasing the transparency, it would put pressure on these companies to implement policies and kind of fix it themselves. So kind of going off of like, how do we judge fairness in the first place, right? So we kind of took the three big